Welcome to episode 69. We are entering the flat. I'm really very happy and excited to share all the insights happening on site. So, this is the kitchen area, and what you see is the carpentry below the platform is going on. This is the alignment of the tandem drawers. So, it is like the preliminary check which happens before the installation of tandem boxes. So, passage, I had just uploaded a short few days back wherein I had shown the process of marking of the curve. Shrikesh is smiling. Moving ahead, in the living and dining as such, I mean, there is work for the entire flat is happening in most of the rooms, so I cannot actually tell which work is happening right now. Difficult to explain. Yeah, so this is the kids bedroom. In kids bedroom, majority of the block furniture is completed. This is the bed which is kept vertical, and these are the side of the beds. You see lamination is also being completed for the kids bedroom. This is the door laminate which is on the verge of installation. In the master bedroom as such, we are gearing up with the laminate, external laminate fixing for the loft area. This is the proposed bed of the master bedroom, and this was what I was explaining. So the lamination for that is going on. So thank you so very much guys for being with me in this journey. Do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.